Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line S-Tronic finished in the modern dew silver metallic paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a petrol engine with 150 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A1 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 335 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with front door sill trims with the S logo, along with the SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and disembossed front part leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connections. From here, you can also find USB-C connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driver modes to suit you, whether it be for efficiency or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the climate control offers an evenly distributed temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features an open storage compartment with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, and 3 cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.